This can be ways, I told you. Division Krishta, Vipra, Vichari. So, attend scholars of adjacent. Vipra Krishta. And Puri. These are also the division. The Kolshaya even. The stage even. Improper, untimed, in immediate disease, that is Sannikrishna. If you improper food, if you are taking that is the immediate cause. So many liver disease. Taking same alcohol, Himalayas. That's why Western people, even ladies, they are not got affected. Seeing that if an Indian bites in tropical bites, that is tropical, if he that will affect. Krishna cause. Disease is not in such things. It got acute is the starting point. And according to the time comes, it will cause the outcome of cancer is because of this Krishna Nidana. But service got the virus known as after because of the amino acid got Sanchaya clear to a point where so if the core disease is weak and the immunity strong, then to manifest the disease. Yes, germs are entering many patients in HIV, but the disease is not. In the case of manifested, the CD4, CD8, etc. of the doshas with Rajekshma, etc. blood and other things. Though they are indulging sexually, they are not affected. Husbands are not affected. There are so many cases not manifested because of immunity. So the immune vyadhi, pradibandhaka vyadhi, adapt resistance power and adaptation. This is not manifested. According to Chakravarti, who explained. So remember that whenever we are giving this to a particular patient, remember this dictum. Away, not be taken away from positive. The cause here is strong cause. It is very strong. It could affect in Dushya or Vishya in results in Prakopa. For example, in snake bite immediately. That's why a doctor beforehand knowledge about the snake bite, about the person with vitiated. In olden days, they like that. I told the attendant to make kanji. A person, for a person to be aware of it. Take all the ingredients, urine, etc. At 9 o'clock, will come. Not sleep. Be awake. Number of stories are almost all. Am I right? No. You might have heard of the Tantra in waiting for the patient. person came with is affected or carcinoma. Tantra in detail the symptoms from there are alike for the, give a medicine that astonishing results because the medicines are so in one bite and other bites. The theme of the doctor is very should act. She should act to spare. Doshas are vitiated at the moment of the visha. Another classification goes based on the relation. Asalpya yoga prajna parinama veda. Trivid asalpya samyoga varatha parinama. Salmya, if a person acts according to the succession, chance of disease. Now diseases are eating according to customs. We, the teachers of the doctor, very and simple. The coming generation beads to salmia is very important. Asalmendriya, the indriya, the worldly objects. There is our life. That is very important. And Alma. Between almost all the Puranas of all of them, dialectics means to defeat. Pariyam. There is a words and words. The dialectics between nowadays, if as a human being. It is that. If you a lady of the same age, biological age, 10 years between them, aged.
Yes.
But you are equal age. So after 2 or 3 days, his brain, this is your mother. So much so that the relation is tampered. In need of a person, 8 or 9 years old, to give actions. At the same time, he is in a lady who is satisfied. So much in the polarization may occur. So many diseases will come. So in olden days, my father, parents, a person who is 10 years old, it's okay. What is the sociology, economic, but mental cause of that? Knowing all these things, we are living. We are teaching. Yeah. We are much early. So much money for stall hearing, the concluding.
Yes, continue. Interesting, sir. Interesting.
Course, so many things to study. Once again, if you are, I can come.
Sir, food is not important.
That's important. If I am seeing the timetable, so 10 days, I am free.
Yes.
If not, a lecture note typed. I will.